Now, if you are a no makeup girly, this video is one you don't want to miss. Come on board. Now, it is super important that before you apply your makeup product, you go in with skin prep. Now I'm going in with my vitamin C serum on my already washed face. And I'm applying the goodness of that. Look, skin prep just makes your makeup stay better, last better, And yeah, I'm taking in all the goodness of the vitamin C serum. Next will be my moisturizer. Now it's super hot in Nigeria, but moisturizing is super key. I mean, you can even see that I'm applying under my eyes to get rid of eye bags or to just calm down my eye bags, literally. I call them Chanel bags, by the way. And then the third super duper important is sunscreen. Never ever skip a sunscreen, And yes, I am applying that, applying that. Okay, even on my neck, like nothing goes untouched with my sunscreen. All good. Next on the line will be my primer. Primer is also super key. Just makes your face all prepped before you go in with your makeup product. And I'm going to moisturize my lip with my Nivea lip balm. Contains SPF 30. Guys, water. It is so humid in Nigeria. I'm drinking water every second. Concealer is next, under my eyes. And just, in areas that I just conceal. So my chin, nose bridge, and of course my forehead. Forehead is important, guys. Do not yap my forehead. And then I'm going to blend with a little brush there. I don't know if this is a concealer brush. Guys, I'm not a makeup artist, but whatever brush I have, I make use of it. And I'm blending that in. I'm not harshly blending it. It's super important that you don't go in with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. Excuse me. Maybe just a shade lighter is better because you're trying to make this look as natural as possible. And take your time while blending. Blending is something you don't rush, because why are you rushing? Really, what is chasing you? Take your time. I go in with a bigger brush and I'm still blending, trying to, make it all natural. I don't want to look caked up, cakey. And it's all coming together. It is, right? Yeah, it is. It's all coming together. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Guys, the story of this pond, right? So the first time I bought ponds, I wanted the other type of ponds, the one with the orange cover. But then I got this in the pink shade and I tried this. And OMG, guys, this has been my go-to. I have a powder palette, but I just prefer the look of this. I don't know. Trust the process. I know it's looking all white right now or pink, but trust the process. This is my powder palette, and then I go in with a big brush to just get rid of the excess powder, and then I go in with my shade of powder to just blend it all in to blend it all in, and and also powder on the rest of my face or to the rest of my face, because we don't want having 3 shades or 2 shades of skin complexion or skin tone, if you get what I mean. So yes, I'm just trying to blend it all together, and of course natural is the goal. We're trying to make my face look as natural as possible. Next will be a blush. So I'm going to go in with the orangey, the orange color actually, for my blush, to sort of give a little bit of structure, because there's no bronzer, there's no concealer, like a dark concealer or a bronzer or something, or contour. I go in with more because I really love blush, it just gives your makeup that extra edge. So applying a little bit more, even on my nose bridge, right? And then it is on to brows. I apply a little bit of powder there to get rid of oil. and then my spoolie to brush off my hair. Leave my hair alone, guys. I don't like to tweeze most of the time because I don't like have a lot of hair. So if you realize, I'm simply just stroking my brows lightly. I'm just stroking lightly. That's pretty much what I do for my everyday look. You know, I just stroke. Sometimes when I stroke, I then conceal the bottom, but normally I'm going to work. I have like a little visit. I just stroke, and yeah, I go in again because I can see that I didn't stroke under this brow. So I'm stroking again, just trying to make it look a little bit even if I'm not going to be concealing. And then I go in with my spoolie. You know, it's all coming together. And then, yeah, and then I go in to brush this also. And that's it, guys. That's all I do with or on my brows. And onto the lip, applying a lip liner or the same brow pencil I used actually to line my lips. And yeah, you know, take your time. You're trying to get a very sexy shape, so don't rush the process. Sexy takes time on the lip. Just joking. But you know, just so that your lining is near perfect. And then I'm going with this pink lip gloss, you know. Yeah, looks nice. Sometimes I just go with a clear lip gloss, but I said, okay, let's try pink today, and this looks nice. We smack the lips, and can you see the shape on my upper lip? Okay, girl. Yes. Okay, so let's do a black liner, right? To give the eyes some edge. Yeah, applying on the lower, and also I'm going to apply on my upper eye. Yeah, there we go. Whenever I do this, I don't tear, but if a makeup artist is working on my eyes, oh my god, guys, bucket of tears, literally. And then we go in with our mascara, just a little bit of a mascara, you know. See how my eyes are like, it's like they want to open up, literally. I'm surprised my mouth isn't open here. Oh my god, look at how my eyes look. And guys, I kid you not, this is all you need to do to achieve your 10-minute makeup. We're all done. What do you think? I love it. And I had to go outside, you know, let the natural light beat my face, and it doesn't even look like I have makeup on. Now, this is the goal for 2025. Now, tell me if you like this video, if you'd like to see more of this. And of course, watch out for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and drop a comment or two. Tell me if you'll be trying this out. Bye.